Jace Tunnell here, Mission Aransas Research Reserve at the University of Texas Marine Science Institute. And I wanted to let y'all know about some stuff that I've been seeing washing up this week. And you'll probably be seeing them too. These little balls look like they're made out of hair or something like that, like horse hair. But they're actually a bunch of little pieces of grass. And I probably found these all within about, I don't know, probably 100 feet or something like that. But they're all in the high tide line. And anybody who's been on the beach recently, especially in the last month and a half, has noticed all the grass that's been washing up. And it looks like something out of a hayfield. And as these northerns come in, the sand just kind of accumulates up on them, and then you see these little pieces of grass sticking out. Well, now we're finding all these little balls that are washing up, but it's made of that grass. So what happens is something gets, caught up in one piece of grass, then it gets in the waves, starts rolling around, and then just picking up more and more grass until you have something that kind of looks like a popsicle stick. And I found a bunch of these with a little stick sticking out of it. And so what I was going to do today is let's try to figure out, look at these, some of these are perfect balls. Let's try to figure out what started these and how we do that, and we'll just kind of break it open. So I'm going to ruin one of these. And I always thought it might be cool to have a vase full of these. That would be pretty cool. So if we open this up in the middle, you might think that we'd find whatever it was that actually started it to start getting into the waves, rolling around and accumulating. Now look, now in the middle of this one, I don't know if you can see this, but the tube worms casings that have the shells on it, that's what's in the middle of this one. Tube worm casing. Whoa. It's kind of windy and cold today, but at least the sun is out. Yeah, well, that must have been what was in the middle of that one that started it all off. The whole thing, it looks like it's about that long. Okay, that's one. Let's go ahead and let's break this one open. This is probably easy since this one has a stick, that's probably what started it all out, almost for sure. Yeah. God, man, it's just like really wrapped up and tightly put together here. Pretty amazing. Nature's pretty amazing. This is nature. Yeah. So this stick is kind of frayed at the end. Probably just started rolling around, getting all this grass stuck in there, and then created a perfect little ball. Now this one has, I can tell already, this one has string hanging out of it. Look at that. So I bet you it had string that was, or fishing line, or it doesn't even look like fishing line. It just looks like something unraveled, like a bag or something like that. And I bet you that's what started it. But I'm gonna throw that one away since that's trash in it. But look, here's another one with a stick. Same type of deal, huh? So now you know, once you see these balls, try to break them open, see what happened, why they started doing that, but now you know what they're made out of. Okay, we'll talk to you later. Thanks, bye.